In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to interact with ChatGPT via the OpenAI platform. This is a simple yet powerful tool that can assist you in learning new things and finding answers to your questions. First, start by opening your preferred internet browser and head over to chatopenai.com. It's easy to remember and quick to access. Once you are on the web page, if you already have an OpenAI account, you'll want to navigate to the Login button and enter your account details. In case you're new and don't have an account yet, there's no need to worry. You can sign up quickly, just follow the prompts to set up your account details, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Now, after you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the ChatGPT dashboard. This is the hub of your interactions with the AI. On the left sidebar, you will see an option labeled New Chat. Clicking this is the starting point for initiating a conversation. At the bottom of the chat interface, you will find a chat box where you can type your messages or questions. For instance, you might type something like, "Hi ChatGPT, can you explain how photosynthesis works?" This is your chance to engage with the AI on a vast range of topics. Once you've typed out your message, you have two options to send it. You can either press the Enter key on your keyboard or simply click the send icon located next to the chat box. After you send your message, ChatGPT will take a moment to formulate a response. It's typically quite fast, so in just a few seconds you should see a detailed answer or explanation. If the response piques your curiosity, feel free to ask follow-up questions. This can be done by typing another message and pressing Enter or clicking the send icon again. This back and forth allows for a flowing conversation, and you can dive deeper into topics for greater clarity. Sometimes you'll want to include line breaks in your message without actually sending it prematurely. To do this, just hold down the Shift key and then press Enter. This lets you structure your questions or descriptions more effectively before sending them. Over time, as you engage with various topics, it can become messy to keep track of conversations. To maintain a well-organized interface and for a cleaner search experience, it's helpful to start a new chat whenever you're switching topics. This ensures that each interaction with ChatGPT stays focused and relevant. I hope this guide helps you navigate your way around ChatGPT with ease and makes your experience both enjoyable and educational.